Today, this is your boy, the only Kwame Monies that you know on the internet, on this scope that you are here, that you find yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe. And as you are subscribing, don't forget to be rich. And if you want to be rich, hit that like button. Thank you very much for doing that. But that was the way I am myself was subscribing. Okay, today we are going to talk about a very unique and a peculiar problem that we are facing recently. I want us to share and talk about it. If any time that I find a very unique way, a very simple way to make business, I also put it out there for you. Today, some people told me that they want to learn how to add or link their bank account to their PayPal. And today, I'll be going through to do that. So as we are going into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for subscribing.
Boys, we comment or down so be some so person who can reach me a link in the bank account to the PayPal account in them here tutorials. First of all, you log in and first of all you type it in and you come to the home page of PayPal, then you log in. So I've clicked logged in. Already my name and my username is there, my password is also saved there. So I'll just type in login. So I click login. It is loaded. This is how it is. PayPal and Kasa. Put the email now to register and the receive this card. And now password over to me use short code out there. But this one I'm only showing you how you can link your bank account to it. So next time if you want that short username as well, you can why anything for her. So you just as I be and this is the page. You click on the one that says link and confirm my debt or credit card. So you click on see details. Then when you click on see details, there's two options that can be said: link a credit card, link a bank account. You can do both of it, but then the problem is since Ghana is not listed among the PayPal countries, meaning you can't use your bank account. But then there's another option that you can use, which is your link your credit card. But link your credit card, you need to make sure say credit card near Visa type. Don't use Discovery. You can use Discovery, but I said I am on time accepted Discovery then MasterCard. But then Visa card, they like Visa card. And say credit card yeah, Visa card there, then hurry. Send your Visa card there and then try your luck. So you click on link credit card. So this one you type in your Discovery card. Okay. Mobile Ember, because this is a card that doesn't make anything here. So let's say in case the card was correct, this is what you get. It would move on to the next page or it will proceed to the next page. But since card in any card piano, I was just showing you. So this is it. To reappear. When you type it in now, me a link now, mean a link to let you come back to where you started from. This is it. So it will come back to it, and then you can transfer money from your bank account to your PayPal, or you can transfer money from your PayPal to your bank account. So link here between us and this card PayPal account, and then you use it for any transaction that you want to use it to make. So this is it. This is how you can link your Ghanaian bank account to your PayPal account. I hope it was very informative. What I gave is very valuable. So please, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Peace.
This video helped you and you really wish to be part of this family, then you already know. Subscribe to my channel and be part of the